Hi, Kevin Waters here, the Nudge Coach. I've been having some thoughts about about the teams that we need to move forward. And what struck me was my local rugby team have actually won. In fact, they haven't lost a game in 6 seasons, and they have been promoted 6 times, and they have kept 10 of their original team, which were trained up from their mini squad. Now that's quite amazing. So what's that got to do with business? Well, I think what it highlights is how unique that is. If you know a little bit about sport, you'll realise that it's a kind of a unicorn of sport. You can keep the same team together. You may change the coaching staff, and in fact, that team kept the head coach and has only employed another coach alongside this person. So it's a unique achievement. So when you start your company or your business, it's going to be perhaps yourself on your own or yourself and a partner, and you're maybe going to take on that first significant person, and then you're going to grow from that. Hopefully you're going to get bigger clients, better clients, and things are going to move forward for you. And you're going to start to build a team around you. And hopefully you're going to gain more and more success. Yeah, there's going to be ups and downs, good years, good months, bad months. That is business, as we all know. However, for you to move on and scale your business up, you're going to have to look at your team, and you're probably, almost certainly, going to either have to change your team. You're going to have to bring in new people, or you're going to train your current team, your current squad, into different roles, and they're going to take on different parts and responsibility for your business. But for definite, the shape of your business is going to change. And you are almost certainly going to need to bring in, at some stage while you're scaling up, a different set of people with different personalities. So I just want you to be aware of that. Those of you who are starting out, or those of you who are already on the journey, you're probably starting to realise this, that either that your current team are going to need training up, need new skill sets, new experiences, or you're going to bring in new blood who can help you move on to scale that business through. Okay, quick point. Hope to see you another time. Many thanks.